house. There's nothing wrong with that. Folks, if you don't have time in the morning for breakfast, what about a healthy juice or a smoothie? Owner of Juice Junky, Michael Williams, is here to make that perfect morning drink for us. Good morning. How are you? Thank you for being here.
Thanks.
First of all, before we start, Sir Mike, tell me a little bit about Juice Junky.
Okay, Juice Junky. We started, most people might know me, from LPSR Under the Tree. And what I have here is a lifestyle.
Wait a minute, you started out at LPSR.
Well, first...
Donna Maresca?
Yeah.
Under the tree?
2 pieces of boards. Mr. Azar was kind enough.
Oh my gosh, I gotta high five you. Or fist bump since you're gonna work.
Yes.
How long ago was that?
7 years.
So how did you stumble onto that business idea? Were you a juicer yourself, or?
Well, come back to Jamaica, used to ride with a group, pastors, F&T Trillers, cycle everywhere, and need something to replenish ourselves. And the thing about it is, everything has sugar, and you're still thirsty. You need something to put back that ump. So I started, I was doing a business course, and I went by OJ Smoothie. Everybody knows Johnny. He's in the camp now, and he's at Sabina. Became good friend, and I like the business. I said, Mike, go in it. Very good guy. And I started it, then it take a life on its own.
Wow. So, you're no longer under the tree. Oops. Sorry, folks at LP. If you were looking for Mike under the tree, he's not there anymore. Where are you now?
Okay, we're at the waterfront.
Oh.
Yes, Victoria Pier.
Okay.
Second shop inside the building. Also, New Kingston, that J Money Bank, right around the corner.
So 2 branches.
And we'll be coming to UWI campus.
Look at you.
At the Towers. Howler's Cafe.
That's interesting. You're going on to UWI campus, which means you're catering to a young demographic. So let me ask you before you start to juice. Are you surprised at how this thing is taking off in Jamaica?
Well, we emulate everything we see.
Into foreign.
Right. But what happened now, people realize this thing really works for them. Like especially this miracle juice right here.
Yes, you're going to tell me about that shortly.
It, and it works. All these juices are made for a purpose.
Yeah.
They just randomly make up a smoothie.
Okay.
They have a purpose, and they really do help.
So you had to do like a lot of research before you started to juice.
There's so much research I did, and it just lost in translation. But your customers, my customers taught me how to blend.
Really?
They said, Mike, I need some turmeric in this. I'm diabetic, or they say I have this, and I said, hold on, and I Google it. I never gone like I'm some genius.
Facts.
I Google it and I say, okay, yeah, I can't do this, I can't do this. Okay, cool. Sometimes I'll run to the supermarket, get something I don't have, I never heard of before, but I can source it there, and it works.
I want to talk to you. We are going to make what you tell me is the most miraculous juice on the planet, right? Which is this one. What's it called?
It's an alkaline green. Alkaline
green. But before that, I want to find out about the others you have here. So who is this fella over here?
This is a purple rain. Like a breakfast.
Rain. It's a little bit of Prince in a cup.
That's where the name comes from.
What into that one?
It's a meal replacement. Blueberries, oats, banana, cinnamon, and it's mostly for a meal.
Okay.
Alternative meal.
So you don't drink that with your rice and peas and chicken is what Michael is saying, right? It's a replacement. I see some people do that with Slim Fast. It's not a thing. What's over here?
This is a great granola. This one is Shebang, one of the best breakfast meals.
Oh.
Yeah, man. Granola, oats, almond, raisin, papaya, banana, molasses, milk, cinnamon.
Yes.
It's big seller.
Okay. Who is this guy?
This is the fruity smoothie. You got the berries, you got the alkaline fruits, pine, papaya, banana, blueberry, and strawberry with a little ginger. And
this guy look oatsish.
That's one of the biggest sellers, the nutty banana.
Nutty banana.
And it's a simple protein meal.
Okay. And then over here?
Oh, one of our top sellers. This is like the protein ranger with seeds, oats, spirulina, which is the highest natural protein on earth. Highest natural protein on earth.
Yes, spirulina, and it's never welcome. So what's happening here? Alkaline, Mr. Bestseller, Eller.
Well, you know what? Unfortunately, this is my least seller right here.
Oh, but the most potent is what you're saying. Tell me what's in there.
It's kale, spinach, lemon, ginger, pineapple. It's also alkaline. And I added the mango now, which is also alkaline, to make it more palatable. So
let's talk a little bit about this alkaline thing, because a lot of people here are saying alkaline and they don't know what that means. Okay. What's the importance of the alkaline nature of the drink?
So all these sinuses we have in, all these mucus, Mucus cannot live in an alkaline body.
Ah.
It cannot live in an alkaline body.
Some
people don't get sick. Some people, what they do, they alkaline the water, they throw a little lemon in the water and they drink it. Alkaline, you know?
Gotcha.
So, no coughing. Yeah.
Sorry. Okay, pardon me. All right, so that's what you're going to make for us this morning.
All right, I'm going to make that. And what I do, this is my home blender. I'm going to get in trouble for this.
Why?
I'll leave the high-powered blender that's,
that's okay, that's okay.
So my wife, I'm going to get in problem. So this is my home blender.
He's going to bring it back, wifey.
And what I use is a simple mason jar.
Okay.
You know the mason jar you have at home?
Yes.
Yeah. So, you know, just add a little kale. Spinach and everything that were frozen. They were frozen, so they get a little bit soggy right now.
That's okay. You're going to blend it out anyway.
Yeah, man. It's going to... I have a little pinch of ginger here. You ain't going to see it. It's a little bit... Because ginger is strong.
Yeah.
So the kale, spinach is mixed up together.
Suppose I like the kale, but I don't like the ginger.
It's your smoothie. Okay. It's your choice.
Okay.
Right?
And it's not going to cut down on the potency of although ginger is very good for you.
It's very, very good.
Okay.
Right? And you know, have some frozen pineapples. You don't want flavor. We don't want it to taste blah. We don't want to have a little...
Okay.
And one of the best blended mango you can find. Yeah, I got these off a tree yesterday.
Oh.
This is a Bombay.
Okay.
And you have the Aid mango also. These are great mangoes. Right. I'm just gonna stuff them in here. I have my gloves.
Yeah, man, do you think?
I'm time constrained. And get a little ice.
So as far as liquid, you don't put anything in there?
Yeah,
just
we use coconut water, orange juice. This is filtered water.
Oh, you can put orange juice too?
Yeah, you know, just whatever, because what happened is the oats are the ice, the nuts, these are what destroys the blender. Right, so you need that liquid. So you see the mason jar, simple. I don't need this big jar.
All right, so let me
put this down, right?
Go on and blend.
So, simple.
Okay, here we go, ladies and gentlemen.
Oh, and I'm also in the call center. So I need a high power blender now.
Yeah.
All right. But to make it go faster, that's where the liquid comes in again.
Put a little more water in it?
Yeah, just.
Okay.
And so this is the right amount of measurement. You just put a straw in it later, drink it, you're fine.
I'm about to do that. I just want you to finish blending it out and get together.
Then you need to bring up the flavor. So you need something else that is alkaline.
What is that again now?
One of the best ingredients you can find. You know, I haven't seen lime on a tree for a long time. So guess what?
That's what I do too.
Yeah. I go for a true juice or the CPJ. Just put enough flavors. Mr. Peter Azar taught me that lime bring up the flavors. See, I learned from everybody.
Yes. So Mr. Azar gave you space and advice.
I'm blessed.
I'm blessed.
Yeah. So, this is it. Pure alkaline.
That's it, Mike. All right, we're going to pour in.
I hope I did a good job this morning.
I'm going to tell you.
Oh, boy.
I'm going to talk truth this morning. You just mentioned about call centers. What were you saying about the call center?
I'm also in the Sagility call centers.
Okay.
That's on Constant Spring Road.
Okay. Mercy.
You know, we're the guys that we're coming to you campus.
So we drink this and then we eat this?
You see, the trick about this is you don't add oats to this. Okay, you want to make a meal?
This is very nice.
Sure?
True God, no. No.
Sure.
No, trust me, my face don't hide things. It's really good.
So somebody gonna buy me lunch today. Yeah, I'd bet. What happened is, if you want to make it a meal, the trick to it is add chia seed.
Negative. I'm good with this. But if you want to make it a meal, you can add chia seeds.
Yeah, because people drink this and like, now what? Oh, I'm hungry, Mike. So I tell them that the chia seed, 1 spoonful is really 10 spoonful.
Okay.
If you look at the bagels, those are the black seeds.
Yeah, man. We know the chia seeds.
Yeah,
All
man.
right. We have to go. So where we find you again? Downtown on the waterfront.
On the waterfront, Victoria Pier, 7 days a week. The Jane Money Bank building in New Kingston, Nutfield Boulevard and Trinidad Terrace. I'm the door after FedEx. That's right by the police post.
And you're heading to UWI campus.
And we're heading to UWI campus. And with the $100 deliveries in New Kingston. Yours truly.
Okay.
All right. And I'll come to the same business place 10 times.
Love
it doesn't
this.
matter.
That's a businessman.
Respect
to you, sir, Juice Junky. Michael Williams, great story and great juice. Thank you very much, sir. After the break, we're discussing the latest PMP commission, Don Anderson poll. I'm putting my coffee away, and this will be breakfast. Thank you very much, sir.
You're welcome.
Soon come, everybody.